As-Salaam Alaikum, brothers and sisters. Ramadan Mubarak to all of you. Today in inshaAllah we will learn about the night prayers during Ramadan. Did you know that during the month of Ramadan from the first night until the last night, there is a special prayer? Which is performed after the Isha prayer. This prayer is called salatu taraweer. The word taraweer comes from the Arabic word meaning rest. This is because we take short breaks in between every 2 units of prayer. This prayer is performed so we can gain more rewards in Ramadan, draw closer to Allah and earn His forgiveness. Our Prophet peace be upon him said, whoever observes night prayer in Ramadan with faith and seeks reward from Allah will have his or her previous sins wiped out. How amazing is that? May Allah forgive us all. So children, try to make the most of Ramadan by going to the masjid to pray the Taraweeh prayer, and if you can't make it to the masjid you can always pray at home. Until the next reminder, remember always to be good to your parents and kind to others. See you in the next reminder. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more videos.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, मैं हूँ अहमद। हमारे चैनल किड्स विद इस्लाम को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और इसके साथ साथ बेल आइकन को भी जरूर प्रेस करें।